Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling stiff, even though you didn't do anything yesterday? That tight, locked up feeling in your neck, wrists, or ribs isn't random. It's your body asking for movement in every direction. But sit on that. Your wrists carry more tension than you think. Scrolling, typing, holding tension in your fists. This is where recovery begins. Extend one arm forward, palm up, gently pull the fingers back with your opposite hand. Flex a stretch. Then flip the palm down and repeat. Extensor stretch. Switch hands at 30 seconds. You're going to feel the steady pull through the forearm, a wake-up signal for your fingertips to elbow. Wrist mobility supports shoulder health, posture, and grip strength. I promise, this unlocks more than your hands, it frees up your upper body. We're about to move that release up into your neck and shoulders. Can you keep your elbow locked and shoulder relaxed for 5 more seconds? Are you breathing through the tension or resisting it? That just opened your wrists. Now let's release your neck. When stress hides, it hides in your neck. This gentle reset clears the fog. Sit or stand tall. Drop your chin to your chest. Roll your head gently from shoulder to shoulder in a slow half circle. Switch directions halfway through. You're going to feel a soft stretch through the sides and back of your neck. This move soothes your nervous system and resets tension signals. I promise your posture will improve in just 1 minute. Neck mobility affects your breathing, shoulder health, and even your focus. Slow the roll, match it to a 5-second breath cycle. Are you letting your head fall naturally or forcing the movement? That just unlocked your neck. Now let's open your chest. If you sit, slouch, or scroll, the stretch is a non-negotiable. Stand or kneel tall. Clasp your hands behind your back. Press your fists down, open the chest, and lift through. You're going to feel a deep pull across the chest, collarbones, and front of the shoulders. Chest tightness leads to shallow breathing and poor posture. I promise this will leave you feeling taller, lighter, and more grounded. Next, we're lengthening the sides of your body, stretching the breath even deeper. Can you pull your shoulders back 1 inch more without crunching your spine? Are you lifting from your chest or arching from your lower back? That just opened your breath. Now let's stretch the sides. You'll be surprised how much this stretch clears tension from your spine to your ribs. Stand or kneel tall. Reach your right arm overhead. Gently bend left, feeling the stretch down your side. Switch at 30 seconds. You're going to feel space through your ribs, a pull from hip to fingertips. Side bends improve spinal mobility, digestion, and breathing. I promise this will help your entire body move smoother. This stretch can actually improve your lung capacity. Reach 1 inch further, but keep your shoulders soft. Is your core supporting the stretch or collapsing under it? That just realigned your breath and torso. Now let's finish through the back line. The final stretch, full body length and surrender. Let gravity do the work. Stand tall, feet wide, hinge at the hips, folding forward. Reach for the floor or your ankles. Gently sway side to side. You're going to feel a deep stretch from calves to hamstrings to spine. This closes the loop, decompressing the back line and calming the nervous system. I promise you'll walk taller and breathe easier. You'll feel the difference in every step if you let it stay with you. Can you keep your knees soft and drop your chest 1 inch lower? Are you releasing into the fold or fighting gravity? That just sealed your reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest. You don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripted plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.